The Hubble Telescope by Sarah Kate Sorensen. From the dawn of humankind to a mere 400 years ago, all that we knew about our universe came through observations with the naked eye. In 1610, Galileo turned his telescope towards the heavens. In the centuries that followed, telescopes grew in size, complexity, and of course, in power. In April of 2014, the Hubble telescope celebrated its 24th anniversary, whereon it was announced that scientists using Hubble data have produced and published more than 10,000 scientific papers, making it one of the most productive scientific instruments ever built. It is as revolutionary of a discovery to astrophysics as the microscope is to the study of life. No telescope before Hubble had the resolution to see these distant galaxies. In 1946, an astrophysicist named Dr. Lyman Spitzer Jr. proposed that a telescope in space would reveal much clearer images of distant objects than any ground-based telescope. It wasn't until 1975 that the United States Space Agency, or NASA, along with the help of the European Space Agency, joined forces in order to build this extraordinary device. The Hubble Space Telescope was launched into orbit in 1990 and still remains in operation. Hubble is a Cassegrain reflector telescope. That just means that light enters the device through an opening or aperture door and bounces off the primary mirror to a secondary mirror. The secondary mirror in turn reflects the light through a hole in the center of the primary mirror to a focal point behind the primary mirror. Hubble's mirrors are made of glass and coated with layers of pure aluminum and magnesium fluoride to make them reflect visible, infrared, and ultraviolet light. The Hubble telescope does not travel to stars, planets, or galaxies. It just takes pictures of them as it orbits around the Earth at 17,500 miles per hour. As an example of Hubble's ability to open our eyes to the cosmos, astronomers turned Hubble on what appeared to be a nearly empty patch of sky and let it soak up all the light it could for 10 days. This resulted in a treasure trove of images. 3,000 galaxies of various shapes and sizes were burning in the depths of what we thought to be, quote, empty space. This stunning image is called the Hubble Deep Field. Our ability to understand the cosmos is so greatly enhanced thanks to the Hubble telescope. It's like comparing black and white silent film from 100 years ago to the high-definition IMAX films of our modern day. Like turning on a light in the dark room, our understanding of our surroundings and place in the universe has been completely illuminated by the Hubble telescope.